All right, so now, guys, we're going to go ahead and dive into May. We're going to dive into our stats of May, which is pretty impressive for us. It's not our best month of the year, but what I really like about it is I think we weaved out a lot of the bullshit. Even though we had 8 losses, we weaved out a lot of the bullshit, and we played our losses really good. And it resulted in $3,800 for the month, 22 trades. So we're not trading every day. 22 out of the 31 days. Well, 22 trades out of 31 days. 14 wins, 8 losses, a 68% win rate. 68%, that's it. Nothing crazy. 68%, and that results in $3,800. That's why you can't beat yourself up for the losses.
Classic. Every single month this year has been really consistent. It's been great. We've been winning at least 70% every month, and when you win 70% of the time, it's like, are you kidding me?
That's a D in high school.
Exactly.
I was a BC average, baby.
Right?
But it's cool if you're a D student, because look at it. You could be a D student.
Make money with a D student.
That's it, man. May was an interesting month for us, guys. Let's talk about some of the wins from May now. Let's dive into the month of May. We had a beautiful, beautiful short on a first red day. So now we're almost going to – I think we may cover every single pattern, all 5 of ours. We went over the OTC Panic Dip Buy, which is our toughest pattern to play. We just went over the OTC Breakout. Now let's talk about an listed short on the first red day, which is something that we're looking for in Genius. GNUS is our next victim that we're looking at. Just as similar as WTRH, where it had 3 straight big green days, and on the 4th green day, we were able to fuck that shit up, and that's exactly what happened. And what's great with WTRH, we didn't even grab the top. We didn't grab it when it was spiking. We waited for the weakness to happen, and we were able to still take 1,300 off the table. So we went over it on a webinar 2 weeks ago, but we could do a brief overview real quick just to show you, because this was our biggest win of the month, and it was off these green days. So what a first red day! When you're shorting on the first red day, first things first is for us when we're shorting, we want to make sure that the stock is losing momentum, because you really can't predict the top of the push. Because check out Genius. When you're trying to predict the top, it's fucking tough. You could try to say this is the top here at 274. Now the stock's at 8. It's fucking crazy. So you want to really wait until the stock is actually showing that there's sellers coming in and there's weakness. And that's what we did with WTRH. There was no reason to try to guess the top. We basically, we sold it on this day, but we shorted it on this day, but this day showed clear weakness because it spiked all the way to 4 this day. So shorts that were in over here probably got freaked out. They were in the 250s, and they were down almost 80%. So they were freaked out. So there's no reason for us to rush into it. We took full advantage on this red day, which ended up becoming the first red day, because we saw the weakness stepping in. So let's go ahead and dive into it.